Why am I stressed out? Stress is a feeling of being under abnormal pressure. This pressure can come from different aspects of your day-to-day life, such as an increased workload, a transitional period, an argument you have with your family, or new and existing financial worries. You may find that it has a cumulative effect, with each stressor building on top of one another. During these situations you may feel threatened or upset, and your body might create a stress response. This can cause a variety of physical symptoms, change the way you behave, and lead you to experience more intense emotions. Stress factors broadly fall into 4 types or categories: physical stress, psychological stress, psychosocial stress, and psychospiritual stress. Physical stress: trauma, injury, infection, surgery, intense physical labor or overexertion, environmental pollution, pesticides, herbicides, toxins, heavy metals, inadequate light, radiation, noise, electromagnetic fields, illness from viral, bacterial, or fungal agents, fatigue, inadequate oxygen supply, hypoglycemia, hormonal and/or biochemical imbalances, dietary stress from nutritional deficiencies, food allergies and sensitivities, unhealthy eating habits, dehydration, substance abuse, dental challenges, and musculoskeletal misalignments or imbalances. Psychological stress: emotional stress from resentments, fears, frustration, sadness, anger, grief or bereavement. Cognitive stress from information overload, accelerated sense of time, worry, guilt, shame, jealousy, resistance, attachments, self-criticism, self-loathing, unworkable perfectionism, anxiety or panic attacks. Not feeling like yourself, not feeling like things are real, and a sense of being out of control or not being in control. Perceptual stress from beliefs, roles, stories, attitudes, worldview. Psychosocial stress: relationship or marriage difficulties, partner, siblings, children, family, employer, co-workers or employer, lack of social support, lack of resources for adequate survival, loss of employment, investments, savings, loss of loved ones, bankruptcy or home. Psychospiritual stress: a crisis of values, meaning, and purpose, joyless striving instead of productive, satisfying, meaningful and fulfilling work, and misalignment within one's core spiritual beliefs. Stress is everywhere, and we just have to deal with it properly. It can occur in any form in your life, so you have to identify its triggers and causes immediately. Doing so can help you find solutions and fight stress. However, improperly or ineffectively managed stress usually takes a toll on the body. Therefore, if you think stress persists after doing self-help, ask for professional help as soon as you can. What do you think? After watching this video you will understand the different type of stresses, and in our following video we will share some of the ways you can manage your stress. Share your thoughts and comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.